How to make vlog intro in Kinemaster Android. So today is the fourth episode of the series, How to make vlog intro in Kinemaster. So let's start the tutorial. Step 1. Choose the best parts from your recorded footages and create video clips of 3 to 4 seconds long. Create a new Kinemaster project and import all your video clips and arrange them in proper sequence, like this. So here all the clips are arranged in sequence. Now add a background music by tapping on this audio option. This is a copyright-free track downloaded from the YouTube audio library. The name is mentioned in the description. You can use it if you want. Next, play the video and tap on the time here to create a bookmark. See, the color changes to blue, meaning a bookmark is created. Create bookmarks like this at the beats of the song where you want a different video clip to appear. Adding transitions. Now, you need to download two transitions from the asset store, acceleration and clockwork. So I already have this installed. You need to go to this plus sign in between two clips and choose the transition and the timings like this. Now let me show another example. So here I have added acceleration transition like this. Repeat this for all the clips. Adding animated frames. Now see, I have added transitions in between all clips except this one. Here I will add animated frames and create a transition to the next clip. Here you need to create two black frames at top and bottom, first slowly moving towards each other, towards the center, and then closing quickly as the clip ends. So this is how I do the animation. Now sync the video clips with the music beats marked by the bookmarks. So the process is complete. Shaped mask. Now we will add our next effect, shaped mask, to this video clip. Go to the asset store and download this effect, shaped mask. Now add this effect to the video clip. Adjust the settings. You can animate it like I am doing. And I think now it looks fine. Adding text. From the asset store, download text asset speed type and add it to your project. Duplicate and repeat this for other clips. Next, we will do the title animation. Create a text layer with your name and take a screenshot over a black layer. Now put the screenshot in front of the video. You can also animate it to a larger size, like here. Change blending mode to multiply. You can add another animated text like this. The project is almost complete. But before that, download the vignette effect and the screen glitch effect from the asset store. Add vignette effect and adjust to your preference. Add screen glitch effect and change blending mode to screen. Decrease the opacity. Finally, you can change the project settings. Export the project. Now let us look at the output. So I think this looks awesome. So if you have liked this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So that was all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, you can watch any of these videos listed here. Thanks for watching.